guys, so today I'm here with Geeta Hair again. They changed up their packaging. I'm loving it. So let's get into it. First thing inside is the wig, which we're gonna get into in a few. And then I also got, you know, branded elastic headband. I got a branded drawstring bag, perfect for storage. Ooh, these are cute. I got these little heart powder puffs, 2 of them. That's cute. And then I also got a pair of false lashes, followed by a pair of wig caps. And then there's an information card, and that's everything in the box. This is today's wig, guys. This is so gorgeous. So this is their HD lace closure. This is actually a closure. It's glueless. I'm gonna put the specific size of it down below, so please check that. But it's a HD lace, straight layered. I don't know if you can see the layers in it, but it's a straight layered wig, and it's pre-plucked. It's pre-cut. It's a very natural hairline because, of course, it's pre-plucked, as I said, and it's a human hair Yaki straight wig. All right, it is Yaki straight, and it's super thick, guys. Like, let me show you. Like, I don't know if you can tell what it's like. Look at that, guys. Please excuse my nails. I'm getting them done tomorrow. So yeah, but yeah, this is how it's so thick. Like, you know, it's really thick and it's layered. Okay, this looks so like nice and professional, and it's super full and flowy. I love this, and it's a natural color. The inside looks like this. It's already pre-bleached, as I said. That's looking so good. And then there are a total of 4 combs on the inside for added security. All right, okay, and then there is also this adjustable elastic band. She can just go ahead and adjust like that for more security. There's also the curve at the sides to accommodate, you know, your ears, so it sits comfortably. And that's it. That is it. I'm gonna put the specific length, the density, the lace size down below, so please check my description box. But that's how we're looking, super full and nice. So let's go ahead and get into this very easy, beginner friendly wigging style. Let's do it. Right off the bat, that slipped on and looks super flawless. Nothing is done to it as yet. Okay, there is a little bit off the lace in the front that I feel like I'm gonna take off, like just an inch or half of an inch, where there's absolutely no hair, so that will eliminate like some of the castiness on the lace there. You see it?
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out. I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do.
So that really helped with minimizing the cast. And then whichever bit of cast is left, I'm gonna take my face powder and brush and tap that out.
Magic.
Like, even with it split up, you still feel how dense and thick and full it is. It feels really good. They did their thing with the construction on this wig. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get my hot comb and get my flat iron, because I'm gonna go through this thoroughly to ensure that everything is looking really on point and flawless. But as is, it just looks like effortless and really pretty, you know? Really, really pretty.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, driven in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher. Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, driven in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before.
Guys, so this is it. Oh my gosh, I just can't get over how voluminous they constructed this wig to be. It's truly so good, and it's soft and very flowy. You see that body? It has a lot of body and it's very luscious. It's very luscious. This is given, okay? 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Barely any shedding. Can we talk about that? Barely any shedding. The hairline looks very natural. Geeta, they're upgrading. They constantly amaze me. Honestly, I have to say, in comparison to wigs that I've tried from them, like say last year this time to now, it's a big jump in quality. Truly, they're doing really amazing, and I have to commend them. Like, if you go like to Geeta to get like a nice wig, I guarantee you're gonna get a good quality. Okay, so no doubt about that. This layered wig is giving exactly what it should be giving. All right, so if you don't know how to cut, you don't know how to install a wig, you don't know how to do none of that, but you want that glueless, layered, like professional look, this wig is your wig. It comes layered, it comes pre-plugged, it comes pre-customized. Everything looks really top tier. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it for today's wig look though. Super easy, super nice. And let's not forget, you can go ahead, it has a nice parting space even though it's a closure, so you could go ahead and get away with like doing a nice side part. You know, you could do like a little braided style, you could put it in a little ponytail, like, you know, it has a lot of space within the closure to part it. So that's another plus. You don't have to feel confined to just one style alone. Okay, so there's a bit that you can really do with this wig, and I love that. No tangling, no shedding so far. Yeah, it's a 10. It's a 10. Let me know what you guys think. Super easy to work with, super nice, very beginner friendly, and completely glueless. Okay, yeah, Geeta, you did that. Guys, you know Black Friday is coming up. All the sales are coming up, so you want to make use of that. All right, if I have any sale, any discount code, anything like that, any sale deals going on, that will be listed in my description box. But yeah, that's it for today. Check that out down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just want to big up on yourself. Bye.